Take inventory of personal property. How do you write down broke? You know what? Let's make our own lists, sweaties. Let's prepare for this hurricane together. So, if y'all didn't know, probably anyone watching this video lives in South Carolina or North Carolina, there is a hurricane headed this way. It is September 14th, 2:38 p.m. on a Friday, and I need to get prepared. And I'm sure y'all need to get prepared too. We've never had a hurricane like this before. What are we gonna do with ourselves, right? That's what everyone's thinking. So, I'm gonna give y'all some things to do during a hurricane so that you can survive and not be bored. Let's do this thing. Because we all know that the hurricane is a really long process, you're gonna get really bored, and you can't just hang out with yourself, because then you would be a loser. So, you just invite your friends over. Hey guys, this is Elena editing. I just wanted to say sorry it is so unenthusiastic. I low-key forced them to be in this video. Yay! So, when you tell your friends to come over, don't just tell them to come over empty-handed. That would just be stupid. Tell them to bring some snacks. Like, Rachel brought some Starburst. I brought the left of this bag. And I handed Brooklyn these Pringles to act like she brought them, but they were really already mine in my room. So eat some snacks, because if you go hungry, you won't survive. And you'll start eating your sisters. Yeah. So, since all your friends are hanging out, you're eating snacks, you're gonna want to entertain everyone with a little video. Because they're all like, Elena, we're eating, we have snacks, what are we gonna do now? Well, I'm just gonna look up my favorite YouTube video, so you just search what you want to watch. 2 girls, 1. Everybody ready? Now that you guys watched a video together and you feel bonded in sisterhood, you can all do the photo booth challenge. Now, to really understand the hurricane experience and to really understand what you're going through, you have to go outdoors and experience the hurricane. So another thing that might happen during your hurricane is that your power may go out, so you won't be able to watch funny YouTube videos or do the photo booth challenge, so you gotta get creative. So gather your friends round, collect all of the candles you have in your house, and
have a seance to Elvis Presley.
I can't do this, I can't do this. Okay, let's light them.
Don't, why would you do
Okay,
that?
wait,
I gotta
you know
go.
the flame will travel. So everybody should be having a moment with their candles. Yes, or what? It's okay.
I don't know where y'all's going.
What if something actually happens? I'm not okay.
Yeah.
Who should we talk to?
Say the Lord himself.
No, stop.
Stop. Why would you say that?
Why would you say that?
Don't think about. Stop playing around. For real, think of someone who we aren't gonna disrespect.
Mac Miller.
Elvis Presley.
Elvis
Elvis Presley.
You want to summon an actual ghost?
No, this is just a bit for a video.
Y'all know the rules, right? You don't
Let's say Bloody Mary.
don't break the circle unless
We're
you
not
say it.
actually
Let's say-
summoning anyone.
But do you want to do it on
Bloody
accident?
Mary.
Let's do Bloody
It's
Mary.
not real.
Okay.
Bloody Mary.
I
Bloody
was
Mary. Better say goodbye. Bye, Bloody Mary. Okay, we should all blow out our
broke the
candles at the
circle,
same
so.
time. 1, 2.
As you probably can guess, this is the next day. I filmed like a short little outro, but it was really bad. I hope you get blown away by a hurricane. Have a great day. So I just wanted to come film this real quick. Hope you enjoyed my how to prepare for a hurricane video, because this is all that I've been doing besides sleeping. So I hope everyone's safe, and I hope you have a great day, you beautiful, sexy beast. I'm sure you are.